Hi guys, welcome again for a new video and the last one of the CRUD operation from this mini blog Django series. And what we're going to do, we are going to do the last one view of the CRUD operations that's going to be delete. So in the past video we did the update, but now we are going to do the delete, and it's going to be very easy because you are going to use generics. So without further delay, let's do this. So it's going to be very similar to this one, but we can actually we don't even need to copy because it's going to be so simple to type the code. We just have to delete view. It's going to be the generic that we are going to use. The model is going to be the post, and the template name that we are going to use, it's the one that we haven't created yet, but it's going to be the post delete.html, and we are going to use another property from here. If the request is success, we are going to redirect to the home page. So this we are going to do. What you have to do only is to import the delete view, and to import the delete view we come here from django.views.generics, import the generic.edit, import delete view, and that's it. So now we have this. Let's do a refresh. Now again, let's go. Okay, we have to do Django. Okay, we have to configure the URLs. So you have copy this Django post, the same thing, because we're going to need the primary key to know which post we are going to delete. So it is going to be delete. So let me check again one thing. It does not appear to have any patterns. Okay, block delete view. Don't forget the delete view here, and okay, it is nicely formatted. So here we have all the views here, and I'm receiving their error, but let me check where it comes from. Okay, I think I know what is the problem. Is instead of redirect here, we're going to use here the reverse lazy, and that time we're going to reverse to home. So the reverse laser is from that here from Django.urls. We are going to import reverse lazy, and now everything should work like fine. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's add that delete view. So we come here, post delete.html, and now let's copy the HTML from something, maybe the edit, and after we have the edit, post delete.html, we copy here. So this is going to be name delete post. Okay, when we do a delete post, we also are going to create request. We are using the form, so everything here is the same. So the only thing that we have to say now, it's we don't need this, and we need that confirm. Okay, we want to display here something. Okay, it's going to be the page. When we click delete, we are going to say, are you sure? And if you are sure, you delete. So, are you sure you want to delete? And after, you put here the post. So, the post dot title. And again, we are able to retrieve these because of our views in the generics. The generics is doing this, but in a different and easy way. And yeah, I think everything is done. So we can start to test. Okay, so let's just run the server again, just see if everything is good. So if this is good, let's go to that URL. So we want to delete that post new. So to delete that post new, that's not too much new. It was made like some videos ago. So we do like post 3 and delete. Okay, good. So we are here in the post dot delete. So what you do, are you sure you want to delete the new posts? So if you are, we click here and we go again to the home page. Yes, with the reverse lazy, and yeah, the post was deleted successfully. Okay, so this is good. This was a quite long series, but fortunately we have done everything. We have like create like a blog. We have like our main CRUD operations, and this is actually the basics. Everything that you are going to do sooner or later, it's going to be more the same, but with much more complex. So to really finish this, what we are going to do, it's to we haven't had anything like to delete and update. So if you don't know the URLs, you cannot neither delete or update. So if you come here, we want to be able to have like 2 buttons or something like this to delete and update. So yeah, so let's do this. So we come to our post detail view, and your post detail here, it's very simple. But we have to add here like edit blog posts. That's not going to be the URL. The URL is going to actually be the post edit. And remember, when you do this, we have to also add the primary key, because we can only access that URL with the primary key. And now we are going to add a new one. That's going to make it in a paragraph, and this one could actually be inside a p tag. Okay, so I have edit pod post, delete blog post, and this will go to us with the post dot delete. Okay, good. So now we come here, we refresh. We come here, Django post 4. Let's click here, Django post 4, edited, and it's edited. Okay, so now let's create a new blog post that we are going to delete just after. Post test, yeah, just put tests, okay. Lorem, more lorem, and see, created the new blog post. We come here to the blog, to the post test, and let's delete blog posts. Are you sure that you can delete that blog post? and the blog post was deleted. And that's it. We finally reached the end of this series. This was a long one, an extensive one, but that one has almost all the basics of this. If you want, for example, to have like more functionalities, like how to add image in our database and stuff like this, put on the comments so I can have a feedback of what you want it or not. But before that, just let's do one thing that we have always been forget to do, but it's important to do, as I told you in the second video. So let's see your Git stage. We changed a lot of things. Okay, we modified a lot. Okay, a lot of things aren't tracked, but we're going to add all of these. And we are going to do git.commit m, and let's say what I want to commit here. Okay, maybe final commit. So you have to add all the features that you have been modifying, but we forget this for so long that we just can do this. Okay, so now net push, and okay, everything it's here. So as you can see, okay, we have recent blog features here, but there is one thing, like here we have like the features blog and you have like the main one. So actually your code it's here, but we have anything in the branch. So let's imagine that this is the final version, and instead of doing the develop, we want to put here on the main branch. So here you add a description and say like the things that you were doing, like add model, add view, and others. So what you want to do, you want to create a pull request from the feature log to the main. So if you do this, we come here, create pull requests, and now we have the pull request that's done. So now the other people or you can review, and if you think that everything is good and there is no conflicts, you confirm the merge and your pull request was merged successfully. So if you come again here to the mini blog, you see the main is up to date with the features. So again, so now imagine this blog will go to the deployment. What will you do? You will keep working in the features blog, and you will finish in the main. Okay, so that's it. Now this is really the end of this tutorial series, unless you want more. And I hope that you enjoyed this series. This was very fun to do, and I think this is completely important. This is a review to do all the basics. We have all the CRUD operations, how to do the model forms, how to create forms using the generics, and yes, I hope that you have learned a lot. So if you like this video and you also enjoyed a lot this series, put a like, also share this video and subscribe, and see you to the next one.